What is that, boys and girls? Freaking 2JZ swap into a 240.
Big God. Big God. Let's go. Yeah, most my life I've been dancing on the line. I've been paranoid. I don't wanna miss my time, so I'm really skating. Tony Hawk is hot grind. I've been on the low, but I ain't starting. I'm gonna drive. Look, keep it in the family. I got it in the crash. What happened to flash? It's all a fatality. Yeah, they finna be mad at me, sick of formality. Back to reality. Yeah, look, you got a problem. With money I solve them. Let's get into child up. My face in the dirt. I like that. It's where I belong. I think with the wolves. I like that. Yeah, that's where I'm from. I'm myself. Yeah, fight that. Who's gonna come? Fight that.
All right, we just got here to Southtown. This is Jordan Commons, the parking garage. We just got kicked out of our last spot. We're gonna try some things here, maybe some light painting shots. Quick walk around on the car. We've got the Rotiform. Those are 3Ps, custom wheels. Of course, Airlift 3P management with bags. Up next, we've got Sparco seats. These are full reclining race seats. Harness bar in the back seat delete with, that thing's super clean in the back. Sparco harnesses, got a Sparco steering wheel, and a little surprise here, if you can see this here on the shift knob, if it'll focus, it says TRD. What could that mean? We've got, what is that, boys and girls? Freaking 2JZ swap into a 240, massive turbo. Right now it's on a break-in tune, which is keeping everything pretty safe, but when it's on race gas and we get the final tune done, it's gonna be making upwards of 800 horsepower to the rear wheels.
Straight out of a Kia Sportage.
Straight out of a Kia Sportage, yeah. The 2JZ.
My girl said take it slow. God said dude, I got it. Really, I should know. Let's go. Yeah. Take it back to when I didn't know the mission.
All right. We got the gear all loaded up. We got Luke, and we're gonna get some shots over here. We got this on-ramp here with some cool lights along the side. Get a couple runs down here. Maybe there's some cool lights over there. And see if we can do it without getting pulled over.
Well, God told me move your goofy self to OC. And then he up and put my goofy self in OC. And if you notice, I've been kicking it with both feet. And so I shouldn't keep the story staying low key. Tell them.
That about does it for this video. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.
But it isn't what it seems like a genius is. But he is genius turning me.